Welcome to this 10-minute bar arms workout. Today, we'll be focusing on exercises that target your shoulders, biceps, and triceps. Using only light weights, you'll be able to improve your muscle definition and overall strength in your arms and your upper body. Grab your weights and let's give your arms a workout they deserve. Stand at the tip of your mat, feet about hip distance apart. Arms are long, flip the palms to face forward. We'll find bicep curls, bringing the weights up to our shoulders. It's curl and reach. Weights come in and out. Yes, curl and curl. Keep your chest open. Beautiful. Exhale. We'll step back into a lunge, starting with our right. Step back and up. Step back left. Yes, step back right. Step back left. You got it. Step back and lift. Last one, full range. Stay low, open and close the arms. Arms open, close. Slide the arms out. Pull in, again, open, close, slide out. Let's speed it up. It's open, close, out. Open, close, and out. Yes. Stay low. Beautiful. 4 more. 3. We'll come up to standing. Find bicep curls out to the sides. Right here, it's curl and reach. Curl and reach, yes. So we're starting where we were, but this time keeping our weights out to the sides. We'll step back into lunge, starting with our left. In 2, in 1, step back left and lift. Right and lift. Yes, left and right. Step back and back. Last one. Now stay low, slide the arms in and out. In, out, take it out to the sides, pull in, close, open, slide out. Let's speed it up. It's in, out. Yes, close and out. Beautiful. 4 more. We'll pull the elbows in, come up to standing. Last one. Right here, it's squeeze and squeeze. Pull the elbows in and in. Yes. You can keep your feet about hip distance apart. Beautiful. And you can stay where you are. Yes, keep pulling, flip the palms so they face forward. We'll bring the weights overhead. Right here, weights up and down. Press up, pull down. Yes, up and down. Full range of motion. We'll keep the weights down. Pull the elbows in for one more time. Right here, it's pull and pull. Little squeeze and squeeze. Yes, try to get your shoulder blades together. Keep your arms open. Last 4, 3, 2, 1, and release. Step your feet out wide. Your toes are turned out. Bend your knees. Reach your arms out to the sides. We'll flip the palms down and up. It's down and up. Yes, down and up. Try to keep your neck long. Relax your shoulders. Down and up. Beautiful. Yes. See if you can keep your shoulders stacked right over your hips. Beautiful. It's down and up. We'll keep the palms facing forward. Close and open the arms with soft elbows. Right here. Arms go in. For 2. Out. For 2. One more this slow. Let's speed it up. Open. There we go. Close and open. Yes, add a little squeeze on your weights every time they come in. Little squeeze. Release. Your chest. Your upper back. Exhale. And exhale, yes. We'll hold the weights in. Find little squeezes. In 2, in 1, right here. It's squeeze and squeeze. Take it in and in, yes. Feel the corners of your chest activate here. Beautiful, little squeeze and squeeze. In and in. We'll bring the weights up towards our forehead. Take them back down. Right here, take it up and down. Weights lift and lower. Whew. This feels heavy on the shoulders. Take it up and down, yes. Weights will stay up. We'll squeeze the elbows in. In two, in one, right here. Squeeze in, release. Squeeze, release, yes. A little faster, in, squeeze, and squeeze, yes. You got it. In and in. See if you can lift your elbows a little bit higher up. We'll open and close the arms. Right here, arms open for two. Now close for two. Yes, so full range. You're keeping your arms at a 90-degree angle. Arms open for two and close. Let's keep them open, tiny little presses back. Right here, press back and back. Yes, press and press. Little open and open. You got it. Press your shoulders away from your ears. Final four, three, two, one. Hold. Deep inhale. Exhale, release. Oh. Place your weights aside. Come down to your mat. Lie down on your right side. Give yourself a hug with your right hand. Lie all the way down in your right shoulder. Your bottom leg is bent, your top leg is straight. Press your left palm right into the mat. We'll press ourselves up and down. Right here. It's up for two, down for two. Yes, press up, lower down. Beautiful. Try to hug your left elbow close in towards your body. Press up, lower down. Yes, keep going. Nice and slow, nice and controlled. One more here. Let's speed it up. Take it up and down. Lift and lower. Now when you're coming down, you're lowering yourself all the way down to the mat. Let's pulse it out. A little press and press. Take it up and up. Yes. Got it. Let's do 8 here. 6. We have 4, 3, 2, 1. Now press yourself up. Hands come underneath your shoulders. Feet are flat on the ground. Squeeze your glutes and lift them up. Bend and extend your elbows. Right here, it's bend, extend. Go down and up. Yes. Keep your elbows close in towards your body. Send them straight back behind you. You got it. Little pulses, down and down. Little pulse and pulse. We'll switch sides after this. So we'll lie down on our left side. You got it. We have 4, 3, 2, and 1. Lower your hips. Quickly turn yourself around. Lie down on your left shoulder. Press your right hand in. Let's press ourselves up. It's up for 2 and down for 2. Yes, press up and down. So now your bottom leg is bent. Your top leg is straight. You're giving yourself a nice big cozy hug with your left hand. Take it up and down. Beautiful. Press, release. Let's do one more here. Let's speed it up. Take it up, and down. Yes. I know it's not easy. We're in this together. Up and up. Let's find little pulses. We got it. We have down and down. Little pulse and pulse. You got it. We have 4, 3, last 2, last 1, and release. Amazing work. Come on up into a seated position. Cross your legs in front of your body. Reach your right arm up. Bend your right elbow. Option to grab your right elbow with your left hand. And then find a nice stretch here in your right arm and your tricep. Option to stay here or to find a gentle side bend towards your left. Breathe in, out, and release. Other side, left arm comes up. Bend your left elbow, grab your left elbow with your right hand. And again, option to stay here or to find a side bend towards your right to deepen the stretch. Find a little bonus stretch in your left side of the body. Breathe in. Exhale, release. Thank you so much for joining me in this fun and challenging bar workout. If you enjoyed it, please give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. Can't wait to chat with you guys in the comments, and I'll see you in the next video.